Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we explore the intersection of strength, style, and innovative home design. Today, we're diving into the compelling world of steel barndominium house design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. This unique architectural style blends the durability of steel construction with the rustic charm of a traditional barn, creating homes that are both robust and aesthetically pleasing. This isn't just about building a metal structure, it's about crafting a personalized sanctuary that embodies both strength and comfort. What is the meaning of steel barndominium house? A steel barndominium house is a residential structure that combines the features of a barn and a condominium, utilizing a steel frame as its primary structural component. These homes are typically built on a large, open floor plan, offering ample space for living, working, and storage. The term barndominium is a portmanteau of barn and condominium, reflecting the blend of agricultural and residential elements. The steel component highlights the use of a steel frame, which provides exceptional strength and durability. It's about creating a versatile and resilient home that offers the best of both worlds, the spaciousness of a barn and the comfort of a modern residence. What are the benefits of choosing a steel barndominium house? Choosing a steel barndominium house offers numerous advantages. Firstly, the steel frame provides exceptional strength and durability, capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions and seismic activity. Secondly, the large, open floor plan allows for flexible design options and customization, enabling homeowners to create spaces that suit their specific needs and preferences. The steel construction process is often faster and more efficient than traditional building methods, reducing construction time and costs. Moreover, steel barndominiums are often more energy efficient, thanks to modern insulation and building techniques. The low maintenance requirements of steel construction make these homes a practical and cost-effective choice. Finally, the rustic charm and unique aesthetic of a barndominium create a distinctive and appealing living space. How to design your steel barndominium house to look good. Designing a visually appealing steel barndominium house requires a focus on balance, proportion, and material selection. Start by creating a cohesive exterior design that blends the rustic charm of a barn with modern architectural elements. Utilize a neutral color palette with accent colors to add depth and interest. Incorporate natural materials such as wood, stone, or brick to add warmth and texture. Maximize natural light with large windows and skylights. Create a welcoming entryway with a spacious porch or veranda. Pay attention to the details, such as lighting fixtures, hardware, and landscaping. Integrate functional elements, such as a large garage or workshop space. Don't overlook the importance of interior flow. Ensure that the living spaces are well connected and comfortable. How to build steel barndominium house with luxury facade. Achieving a luxurious facade for a steel barndominium house involves careful selection of premium materials and meticulous attention to detail. Consider using high-quality materials, such as architectural metal panels, natural stone cladding, or custom-designed doors. Incorporate architectural features, such as a grand entrance, a cantilevered porch, or a seamless glass wall. Enhance the curb appeal with professional landscaping, including mature trees, flowering shrubs, and well-maintained pathways. Utilize high-end outdoor lighting to highlight architectural features and create a warm, inviting ambience. Consider adding a water feature or a sculpture to create a focal point. Pay attention to the details, such as custom hardware, decorative trim, and seamless transitions between materials. Integrate smart home technology, such as automated lighting and security systems. Ten Best Steel Barndominium House Design Ideas. 1. The Modern Farmhouse Barndominium, blending modern architectural elements with rustic barn aesthetics. Features large windows, natural wood accents, and a spacious porch. 2. The Industrial Sheet Barndominium, embracing the industrial aesthetic with exposed steel beams, concrete floors, and minimalist design. Features a sleek, modern exterior. 3. The Luxury Ranch Barndominium, creating a grand and luxurious living space with high-end finishes, custom-designed interiors, and a sprawling layout. Features a stone and metal facade. 4. The Multi-Purpose Workshop Barndominium, integrating a large workshop or garage space into the living area, ideal for hobbyists and entrepreneurs. Features a functional and versatile design. 5. The Lofted Living Barndominium, utilizing vertical space with a lofted bedroom or living area, creating a spacious and airy interior. Features high ceilings and exposed steel beams. 6. The Sustainable Eco Barndominium, incorporating eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems, such as solar panels and rainwater harvesting. Features a green roof and sustainable landscaping. 7. The Rustic Cabin Barndominium, creating a cozy and inviting living space with warm wood finishes, a stone fireplace, and a spacious deck. Features a rustic exterior with natural wood siding. 8. The Open Concept Entertainment Barndominium, designing a large, open floor plan ideal for entertaining guests, with a spacious living area, gourmet kitchen, and outdoor patio. Features a contemporary design. 9. The Hobby Farm Barndominium, integrating agricultural elements, such as a stable or greenhouse, into the living space, ideal for hobby farmers. Features a functional and practical design. 10. The Custom Designed Estate Barndominium, building a truly unique and personalized home with custom-designed interiors, high-end finishes, and a sprawling layout. Features a luxurious and distinctive exterior. When designing a steel barndominium, it's crucial to consider the surrounding landscape and its impact on the design. The orientation of the home, the climate, and the overall architectural style should all play a role in shaping the exterior and interior. For instance, in a warm climate, a well-ventilated design and shaded porch can provide comfort, while in a cold climate, a well-insulated structure and a cozy fireplace can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Furthermore, the integration of smart home technology can elevate the functionality and luxury of a steel barndominium. Automated lighting, security systems, and climate control features can enhance convenience and comfort. The use of sustainable materials and energy-efficient designs can also contribute to a more environmentally friendly home. When designing the interior, it's essential to consider the flow of traffic and the accessibility of the space. A well-designed barndominium should be easy to navigate, with clear pathways and adequate lighting. The use of universal design principles can ensure that the home is accessible to people of all ages and abilities. Finally, the barndominium should reflect the personality and lifestyle of the homeowner. Whether it's a rustic retreat or a modern masterpiece, the design should create a welcoming and comfortable space that reflects the unique character of the home. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern barndominium house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.